Alright, Eric, here's the program, and just so that you know, I did reset the program that uses the macro that changes tools. So my program 09020 that I sent you a picture of in the previous email, I had to change that back to G54. Whenever I use G53 for that program, it always gave me an over travel in Z error. So this is the program that you sent me most recently, and here we go. So I believe that's the right rotation. Pauses at our tool change. No one tool change. Tool number 2. This is the second operation. So that little dip right there that you just saw, that's what happens with the G28. Anytime we use the G28 on the end of that operation, we have a pause here, M00. That's the thing that I'm trying to avoid. So the thing that I think I want to propose is that if we treat G54 with my machine like it's G53, everything seems to be working out just fine. I think the trick is to just never use G54 as a work offset. And this is the last operation, repeated back to tool 1. So we ran a whole program, we changed tools twice, and I think the only concern that I had is that, oh, that's weird. The end of record, I got this weird error. I haven't seen that before. But I think the only thing that I still want to resolve is I want to try and still get rid of that tool drop in Z after an operation is done and the tool offset is longer than the gauge offset. So I think if we use a G54, at least for the Z move at the end of an operation, then that will solve our tool drop. Or I got to figure out how to set up tools differently so that I don't ever have negative or positive Z tool offsets. All right, this is probably confusing. Love to talk to you on the phone. Thanks for all the help.